Hey, this is your boy T-Roy from City Center Yachts coming to you live from the back of this Persian 5X that I just sold to a client of mine up in Canada. And here's a tip on maintaining your boat. When it comes to electrical connections, make sure all of your electrical connections are always shrink wrapped and heat and shrink wrapped. This whole electrical tape nonsense is crazy. On this particular boat, we've been chasing down a problem with the electricals for about 6 months, probably cost my client $6,000. And when we come to find out what was going on, it was nothing other than somebody did an electrical splice and they used regular electrician tape. And what happens with that, with the salt and corroded air, all you're gonna get is a whole bunch of corroded wires and the system didn't work. 6 months, $6,000 later, you finally figured out it was a simple fix. Don't let this happen to you.